What's going on, everybody? We have a LED multifunctional lithium lamp. This is going to be cool because this is not just any regular lamp. This is a magnetic lamp bar. This is multi-use, so you can use this in different scenarios. And remember, it's magnetic, rechargeable, 216 LED bulbs, 7,500 milliamps, and 8,000 lumens. That is crazy. 8,000 lumens is crazy. Charger wire. Have a hook right here if you need to hook it onto a latch. Two magnets right here. Yep, it's definitely magnetic. All right, let's see if we have any power. Oh, wow. We have the USB type C, so you can charge this up two different ways. All right, you guys, so we are going to get into the light. Again, this is 7,500 milliamps. 5-hour charging time will give you 20 hours on low and 10 hours on high when you're using your lighting and lumens. And you get, I believe, 3 different color temperatures. You have your LED display up here, let you know the percentage of your battery. We have 80%. Again, you have a hook right here. So if you are working on your car, you can just simply put it onto right there. Hit the power, different temperatures. They even have a little police light on here, flashes red and blue. Now, don't do nothing funny, you guys, okay? Don't do nothing funny. This is for emergency flash. And then that's it. If you need to hook this onto your tripod, you have the accessibility to do that. So again, I have a metal hood. If I can put it right here. So I got many and plenty ways to work on my hood. All right, everyone. So we know these are magnetic, right? So if you want to use this in your workshop, you can use your hook. If you have somewhere to place your hook, you can put your hook here and hang it here. But what they provided was these 4 magnetic little circles right here. So they provide these 4 magnetic rings right here. Sticks right on. What you need to do is take the tape off the back and center line where you need it to be. Putting it up, dead center, and there you go. All right, hit your power, and beautiful. Let me close the garage and everything so y'all can see what it looks like when it's pitch black. All right, you guys, we are pitch black. I am going to hit the power button. And again, 7,500 milliamps, 8,000 lumens. You can see everything in your car. And guess what? You don't have to worry about 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. You can use this 10 hours straight, up to 20 hours straight, depending on your light dimness. You got your LED indicator of your power level. And you could charge up your phone with this. You could use this as a power bank as well if you have a long enough wire. Put your wire there, phone, charge up, listen to music, do what you got to do while you're working on your car. So this is the highest. Let's go ahead and go to the lowest. Hold the button down. It will go off, and then it will go into a dim mode. And remember, I said you could stop it wherever you need it for the dim. So this mode right here gives you 20 hours. Now, I know that this is a little too dim, okay? So that's, for me, it's too dim. So I probably would stop it maybe like right there, something like that. All right, going through all the lights. You know what kind of light that is. Be mindful, be respectful, do the right thing. All right, now we're going to come over here to our workshop. And ladies and gentlemen, here is your workshop. So if you're doing any crafts, anything nice, easy, don't have to worry about, other light bothering you, you can have your focus light right here. And that will be all, ladies and gentlemen. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.